So I'm back at Rhodes, and today I'm going to do some test filming. I'm just parked at Rhodes. Rhodes is a really nice place. It's a beautiful day today, and looks like there's some sort of market down the waterside area, so I'm going to go there and check it out. Let's do this. I got my stuff and I started walking down to the Waterside Drive. I came across a festival, and the festival was titled Rhodes Dragon Boat Festival. So I had no idea what this was about, so then I just decided to just start filming. And before I just started filming, I just went on ChatGPT and just typed in, what is Rhodes Dragon Boat Festival? And then ChatGPT gave me the answer. The Dragon Boat Festival, also known as the Duanwu Festival, is a traditional holiday celebrated in China and other East Asian countries. The festival has a history of over 2,000 years and is marked by various customs and activities. So as I was filming, there was also a performance where a group of people were performing Tai Chi, and it looked really majestic and relaxing at the same time. There was also more performances and dances by more people, which was really great to see. And there was also really amazing costumes of these women wearing these white dresses and carrying these white purses. And I'm not too sure what the background was for this, but it looked really nice. It was a very vibrant event. Lots of people were happy, taking photos, filming, and really enjoying themselves during the day. There was plenty of food, there was plenty of stores, there was quite a lot of people that showed up to the event. I would say probably about a few thousand people were there. I came across this person who was drawing calligraphy and also doing portraits as well, and he was really skillful in just drawing. So today the festival is celebrated with dragon boat races, which is the most iconic feature of the event. The dragon boats are long and narrow boats that are decorated to resemble dragons. They are usually made of wood and are manned by a team of rowers who paddle in sync to the rhythm of drums and commands of a steer person. The dragon boat races are held on rivers, lakes, and other bodies of water, with teams competing against each other to reach the finish line. These races not only serve as a commemoration of the attempts to save Qu Yuan, but also as a way to ward off evil spirits and bring good luck and blessings to the community. So overall, it was a really great experience. I had a lot of fun at Rhodes Dragon Boat Festival of 2023. It was very well put together. Lots of people showed up. Everyone was really friendly, having a good time. And if you're in the area, I highly recommend for you to check it out next year. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys later. Cheers.